Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to access your Google Drive and how to create a Google Doc from that drive. Once you log into your Google account, you'll be brought to a screen that looks like this, especially if your account is brand new. And to get to your Google Drive, you will look in the upper right hand corner. In this corner you'll see a little checkerboard type pattern. You will click on that and this menu will appear. On this menu you're going to click on Drive and you'll be brought to this page. You can just close out any messages that appear in your way. From here, you are in your Google Drive. So to create a new Google Doc, you're going to click on the New in the upper left. And from this list, you're going to choose Google Docs. So now we are currently in Google Docs. You can tell that looks sort of similar to Microsoft Word if you're a little more familiar with that. The first thing I always recommend you do is to title your document. To do that, you just click on Untitled Document until it highlights in blue and type in your title. And then you can just simply click anywhere else on the page. And as you'll notice, there is no Save button. That is because Google Drive and Google Docs and all of the Google products for that matter actually saves everything automatically. So you don't have to worry about whether or not you actually saved that last change you made. So just like in Microsoft Word, you'll see a bunch of different menus at the top. You can see the File menu. And from here you'll be able to do things such as share the document with friends. I will get to that in a bit. Create a new document. You can organize your documents or delete it from here. You also have the edit menu, which is where you find all your basic editing functions, your undo, redo, paste, copy, all that good stuff. Here's your view. You probably won't use this very much. Here's insert, where you can insert images, links, equations, drawings, tables. And then you have your formatting, your bold, italics, underlines, strike-throughs, all that. Then you have some tools, so you also have a dictionary for spelling. You can search the web really quickly, you can translate the document. And the last one here I'm going to show you is the table. From here you can actually create a sort of table by just choosing how big you'd want it to be, and it'll appear right there for you. So those are your basic menus. I know I kind of breezed through that, but you can just take some time to get familiar with those. The next thing I'm going to show you is this quick icon menu here. Just like in Microsoft Word, you got your print, you got your undo and redo, you got your font type again, this is more of your styles. You can choose the title, the heading, subtitle. Here you got your font size. You got your bold, italics, underline, font color, hyperlink, and your different align left, align center, align right. And then we got our bulleted lists, numbered list. And if you want to get rid of all your formatting, you can just click this button right here. So now that we've gone through those menus, you can treat this document like any other Word document you're used to. You just start typing. And as I stated before, this auto saves for you. You can also collaborate with others using Google Docs. So to collaborate with others, you can look in the upper right here and you'll see a button called Share. By default, it's private only to me, which means that only I can access it and edit it, but I can change that by clicking the button and choose who I want to share this with. So I will share it with my other account, and here's where you can adjust permission. By default, it automatically assumes that you want your new sharing buddy to be able to edit, but you can also make it so they can only comment or only see it. I'm going to leave it at can edit for now, and you can add a note to the person, and when you send that off, the other person will get that little email and they will be able to collaborate right along with you. So I'm going to do a quick little jump cut here and change accounts so I can show you what it looks like when someone else edits your document. So hang tight. So here I am in the inbox of my other Google account. You can see that your recipient will get an email just like this one, and when they click it, they'll get the invite to edit the following document, and I'm going to say sure, I will help you, and click open in Docs. So now we're back right in Google Docs, and as you can notice, the first thing you'll see is a little flag with the name of the owner's account, and that's just so you know whatever someone else is working on, you can kind of keep an eye on it. So for the person that invited me, I'm now going to add some words. And as you can see, my changes too are saved to the drive. Now if you look in the upper right, you'll be able to see that the other person that has access to this document is our account that we created, Mr. First Last here. Now I'm going to do another jump cut to go back to the first account to show you that these changes persist across the board. So it's real-time collaboration. And I'm back once again And this is our original account. This is right where we started. And if you look in the upper right in this one, you can see that our training support account has access as well. And then you can see all the changes that we just made using the training support account have persisted across. I know it's a little bit wordy and hard to explain, but you will see when you're using this in practice, especially with your colleagues, that it will become very easy for you. So another benefit of Google Docs is that these documents embed very nicely into Blackboard. So you can share them with your students, with your colleagues. If it's in an organization, you can use this as well. And to do this, you can just click the share button once again in the upper right hand corner. You can click this button in the corner that says Get Shareable Link, and it'll copy the link right for you on your clipboard. Alternatively, you can just click this copy link button. And once you've done that, I'm going to go to Blackboard, and I can paste this item right in a web link on Blackboard for your students to access. So I'm going to name this Google Doc, paste that URL that was copied, and then I'm going to scroll on down. If you want to type in a quick description for them, you can. And from there, you're going to scroll all the way down, and in the lower right, you're going to click Submit. And now you can see that Google Doc appears right on our list, and I'm going to click it right now, and you'll see that we are brought right back to our document. This is a basic overview of Google Docs and Google Drive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you'd like to see more like it, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.